How to sign up for Instacart. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to sign up for Instacart. For that, you want to first of all install Instacart on your device. Open your Instacart app on your device. After you're done installing the app, you want to tap open that up, and here you just want to tap on sign up. Then you will be provided with different options. Either go with email, phone number, or continue with Google or Facebook. Select one of these methods and start creating your account and tap the continue button. As you're done adding in, or as you're done with the information, here you have to enter in the verification code that will be sent to your registered email. So here it is. Now, once you're done entering the verification code, you will be asked to save or create a password, or that you have to add in a zip code, all of these. And this is basically how you're supposed to sign up for Instacart. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.